Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so let's get right into the conversation. So let's talk about stretching your hair, okay? So ever since I came out with my most recent video showing you guys the takedown and also just how I braid it back up and all that kind of stuff like that, I guess I have a lot of new subscribers, which I do because it was a lot of new people. There was new subscribers or watchers because it was a lot of new people underneath the video. They were like, I'm new here, why do you wait so long, you know, what's the reason, da 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 da. A lot of people did not understand. Okay, so I do have a whole playlist of my hair, and I've explained a lot of things. I have a long video where I answered a lot of questions about my hair and why I stretch and stuff like that, but let's just put it all into perspective and talk about it. Okay, so this is just me, believe that you do not have to wash your hair constantly to have healthy hair and to also retain growth. I do not think that by washing your hair a lot helps your hair grow. If anything, I do believe that that does harm your hair because by washing it, you do strip a lot of those minerals and oils out of your hair that you really need, that are very, very vital. Okay, so I do stretch my hair. Now I do go 7 to 8 months. Sometimes I try to go a little bit longer. Now, however, let me go ahead and clear this up. Do I or would I recommend you doing it? No. Okay, and I know you guys are like, what, huh? I'm gonna say no and yes. I'm right in between. Why? Because you have to train your hair to do this. A lot of you are jumping into it just because you guys see my results or my hair growth or whatever the case may be, without actually analyzing the situation, without taking any type of precaution. If you've never done something like this before, you have to ease into it, as with a lot of things. Okay, you can't just dive right in and expect to have great results. If you've never stretched your hair, I would say start little by little. Okay, let's say that you get a perm or a relaxer or Texlex, whatever you want to call it. Let's say you get one of those every month. Okay, well, let's say every 2 weeks you get a relaxer. Okay, so instead of getting a relaxer every 2 weeks, let's get one every month. Okay, let's say you get a relaxer every month. Let's do every 2 months. Like, let's take baby steps. I do not recommend people do stuff like this. Literally, I have gotten very nasty messages, very nasty emails and DMs of people who said that they have stretched their hair and their hair has gotten matted and tangled and they've had to cut it all off. Okay, I always say take everything with a grain of salt. Just because something works for me doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Different strokes for different folks. I cannot preach that enough. Like I said, just do little by little and you will see growth. I can almost guarantee you that you will see growth. Just don't go in just so gullible and jumping on the bandwagon and feeling like, hey, this is gonna work for me because it works for her and I'm gonna do exactly what she does to the T. Things like that, you have to tweak it to your own lifestyle, to your own liking, to your own hair. Okay, don't do that, ladies. Please do not do that. Like I said, just do it little by little. And like I said, I do not recommend anyone to go as long as I go. I've been doing it for so many years. I know my hair. I do not go to beauticians. I take care of my own hair. I clip my own ends. I do all that myself. So I personally know my hair, ladies. If you're not really too sure about your hair, if you don't know your hair, you've been going to a beautician all your life, whatever the case may be, but you are wanting to try it, like I said, just go little by little. You don't even have to do the washing part. If you still want to wash your hair, I don't know, stay on your normal wash routine, I would just say if you get a relaxer, do not just stretch your relaxer out. Okay, let's try to go at least 6 months without a relaxer. Okay, let's try to go a year without a relaxer. You know, let's try to wear protective styles for like 6 months or a year and then just see how it goes. You know, let's just do things things like that. Stretch it out, because relaxers are very, very, very harsh on the hair. You do not need that regularly at all, okay? Back in the day, I think we all, back in the day, I think we all kind of were taught that you need that regularly for growth, and you need to get one every 2 weeks or every month or every 3 weeks, and you really don't. Okay, because like I said, it's just really, really harsh chemicals. I'm not against it or anything like that, of course not, or whatever. I'm just saying it's just really, really harsh, and it's something that should be used in moderation, okay, like over time, not something that's like back to back to back to back, okay? And I definitely don't recommend when ladies like perm their edges constantly. That's not a good thing either. All right, so yes, if you do want to wash your hair, like stay on your normal wash schedule, that's fine, but I would recommend you kind of stretch out your washes kind of as much as you can too. If you wash your hair every day, let's try to wash every 2 to 3 days. If you wash your hair every week, let's try to wash it every 2 to 3 weeks, okay? So let's just do a chain like that and then see how it goes, okay? So anyways, I don't want to really make this video super long or drawn out. I just wanted to hit some key points and just hopefully I answered a few questions. Let's see, what's some other questions? Some people ask me, does my hair get tangled and matted? No, I don't have that problem. Why do I do it? Because I mean, this is just how I've always taken care of my hair. This is, in my opinion, a way to grow your hair. I just feel like it's a way to grow your hair. It's a way to strengthen your hair. It's a way to retain hair growth. Like, I just think that it's awesome. I don't feel like you need to wash your hair all the time. I don't feel like you need to relax your hair all the time. I feel like dirty hair grows, and it's just always been like that for me. And the more you keep your hands out of your hair and you don't expose your hair to too much of like this outside world, you kind of keep it covered up for the most part, it will flourish, it will blossom, it will grow, okay? Because hair grows like every day. You just have to know how to kind of work with it, and what comes with that is just learning your hair texture and kind of learning your body and your lifestyle and getting all that kind of, you know, into one. All right, so anyways guys, like I said, that's pretty much it. I don't want to make it long. Hopefully I answered a lot of questions. If you have any more, please leave them down below, and I may make a part 2. Definitely be very vocal about it if you do want me to make a part 2. Like this video and also leave a comment, and then I will definitely put another one up with whatever questions you guys have down below. If you guys do leave questions in the next video, I'll go actually read off the questions and go over them and read them, you know, be very in depth with them. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.